Because means we have born and brought up here. Our father was here, my grandfather was here. So we are here, born and brought up. I feel we are more Goans, and we are Kannadiga staying in Goa. We are going by the rules of Goa. We are following, and I think there is no problem in contesting election because we know Goa very well, and where we stay, also we know properly of that village or whatever. And I feel anybody can contest anywhere. It is a fundamental rights. And recently, if you have seen in Goa and Vasco, one boy from Vasco has won in London. He has become councillor there. And in Govan can go there and become a councillor. There you can get him elected. Why we cannot contest and get elected in Goa, in panchayat or any assembly? It is our right. And also now Goans and outsiders. Now Aam Aadmi Party has come, you have accepted. TMC has come, you have accepted. So there are many parties outside and come here, you accepted. So what is the problem in Kannadigas? Most of the Kannadigas are working in a lower scale where Goa is clean and cleanliness, I feel. And when I was in Sangwad Panchayat as Sarpanch 2 times, you see my work, you can ask the villagers. I am the first person to put the CCTV cameras in the office, even the cabin of Sarpanch, to isolate the corruption. And also, I rejected Marina because of the people say of the villagers were objecting. I objected it. I never went against the villagers. So there is misunderstanding that outsider will support outsider. There is nothing. We are with the villagers. What villagers want, we do. And if we are contesting, I think there should not be a problem to others. I feel that Goans who are Goa based means where they are born, their fathers are from here. I mean to say that we are born and brought up here. Those Kannadigas I am talking about, not the floating Kannadigas.
Uh, Meti sir, you have any plans of contesting elections this time?
Yeah, I am contesting from village panchayat Sangwal.
And you have got a good support there as of now.
Yeah, I have got a very good support, and all the people of the village are trying to tell me contest from this ward, that ward. I have a demand. I think I will contest wherever I feel majority of people will vote for me. Saying I am telling villagers. I am not contributing on Kannadigas. All are equal. We want support of full Goans. Then
Meti,
only we can form the.
Meti sir, last time, 2 times you've been elected, we
Yeah.
have got to know that that ward had a lot of Goans who got together and voted for you.
Yes. Goans were the majority people were voted for me and made a sarpanch also were Goans.